All right, last one.
Anytime. Sticking with food for a minute, a woman is suing McDonald's after a burger ad compelled her to break her Lent fast. This is a report. Oh, look at that cheeseburger right there.
I'm compelled.
How do you feel, though, about that bun to beef ratio on that cheeseburger?
I don't mind it. I'm usually more of a bun guy.
You're a bun guy.
Yeah.
You question yourself before you said that. You're like, am I going to say that I'm a bun guy right now? Or is it going to get remixed?
Yeah.
An Orthodox Christian in Russia is suing McDonald's for $14. It seems like McDonald's should just pay out. I mean, $14, it's like not even a refund. After claiming that a banner advertising burgers and McNuggets made her break her fast, she had observed the belt-tightening custom for 16 years up until that point. So she had been doing a fast at Lent for 16 years until McDonald's screwed it up.
She couldn't help herself.
Her name is Ksenia Ovchinnikova.
Sure.
Don't share me. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. You go for it then.
No, it's fine.
No, you go for it then.
No, we're good. we're good.
Well, you can't hit me with the sure. All right. Nice try, buddy. And then not do it yourself.
Ksenia Ovchinnikova.
No, you're way off.
Missing a K.
You missed a K. And also, I highly doubt that original K at the front is something you're supposed to attempt. Though I might be wrong.
Right?
Ksenia?
Yeah. Or Sinya.
Okay.
K silent?
Hey, man.
Someone in the comments.
You and I are way out to lunch on this one.
Mm-hmm. You know.
You see what I mean?
I'm going to be called an imbecile again.
Is someone in the comments?
Did someone call me an imbecile?
Yeah. What was it about? Remind me.
Oh, the Apple Store scrolling.
Oh, yeah. You were looking at the new design of the Apple Store and you didn't horizontally scroll and you were an imbecile.
Yeah.
Because you didn't have a magic mouse that scrolled left to right. So it said, "Are you imbecile?"
Yeah.
Anyway,
that was a
okay.
good time.
Here's the quote. When I saw an advertising banner, I could not help myself.
All right. Mean, if you saw this.
I mean, all right. I think it's a fair.
It's forgiven.
I think she makes a fair case here. Yeah, it's a fair case. So she saw the ad, and she was on a 16-year streak.
Yeah.
And she saw the ad, visited McDonald's, and bought a cheeseburger. However, the cheat meal apparently didn't sit well. Who was reportedly suing McDonald's for $14 as... Don't make me say that. Oh, my goodness. Is this why people read these type of websites? Because they get to say things like chompensation?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. In the actions of McDonald's, I see a violation of the consumer protection law, fumed the worshiper. I asked the court to investigate and if a violation has taken place to oblige McDonald's LLC to compensate me for moral damage. I like the fact that she's not asking for like $1 million. $14 seems really reasonable. If I was, and I understand there's a principle thing, you're like, hey, get your stuff together, control yourself here. But if I'm McDonald's and she wants $14 for her troubles, man, I don't know. I guess
give her a coupon.
It could set a precedent. Everybody's asking for their $14. Like, your advertising so good. Right, I want $14. Give me the burger for free, this and that. But
end up on this website here.
Yeah, but what can I say, man? It's tough out there. You see these advertisements. You want these cheeseburgers.
They're so good.
You want these nuggets. You want the meal deal from BTS with the purple container.
Yeah.
You want the what was
Cactus Jack.
You need the Cactus Jack. You want the special what is it? Sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
Was it a sweet chili dipping sauce that they put with that?
With the Cajun sauce too.
Yeah, I mean they had how are you supposed to look at these ads? I mean, that's how it works. That's the advertising stuff, man.
Yeah. I
mean, you put anything on these days, it's all the food advertising. And then they say, hey, we're going to be at your house in 5 seconds. And you're like, yeah, I need a cheeseburger. It's like, You don't need a cheeseburger, but yeah, I need a
You
cheeseburger.
definitely do.
Yeah.
Once in a while. Every 14 years, I would say.
Well, you showed this picture on this display for so long now. You know how many cheeseburgers you just sold? You're about to be sued for $14, man.